What's up, YouTube? It's Vic and I'm back with another video, and today I got another flip. What's up, man? I'm back, and I've been off for a few days because where I live at is right off of the Intercoastal in Daytona Beach, and we've been flooded in and ain't been able to really go nowhere. I sold the Stratus. The Stratus sold at full price the other day, like 2 days ago. Still sitting on the BMW, and I got another flip that I just got last night. It was actually last night. It was too dark. I tried to film some last night, but it was too dark and I couldn't see. But here, I'll show you right here where I'll show you the vehicle right here. All right, I'm back, and this is the vehicle. It's a 2004 Buick Lesabre. Got some rust, but overall, that's the only thing pretty much wrong with the vehicle. It's gonna clean it up today and get it out for the flipping. This rust kind of bad here, but I mean, oh shit, it's a little dirty, but we gonna steam the carpets, clean it all out. AC work, heat work, get rid of them rugs right there, floor mats, make it look good in here. Run good, man. It was decent, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You like it? You liked it, the ride?
Mm-hmm.
All right, man, we fixing to get this thing cleaned out, cleaned off, and shipped out. Let me get this thing cleaned up, man. Yeah, we picked this up for $500, and we're gonna clean it up and try to get rid of it for $15. These cars, there's a lot of these around in this area. I think we can get the rims pretty much cleaned out. That's gonna be the deal. That's gonna be the deal maker, is getting them rims back clean and getting this thing looking stock, as stock as possible. That's the only blemish on the paint. Like, it's no other rust nowhere but right here, and that comes from salt water being by the ocean. And I guess the gas leaking on it or something. There was a lady that lived by the beach. But we gonna get this thing cleaned up, and I'm gonna get back to you. All right, we got it cleaned up a little bit. It's pretty clean. We're gonna steam the seats next. Fix it to go to. Where we gonna go rent the thing from?
You get it from Publix.
I guess Publix or Ace Hardware.
A steam cleaner.
We're gonna go rent a steam cleaner and steam clean the inside of it. Next up. What's up, YouTube? I'm back, and I'm back fixing to take pictures of the Buick Lesabre, the 2004 Buick Lesabre. It's a nice 325 right there. But I'm about to take pictures of the Buick Lesabre. Was at the shop cleaning it up, but I think it came out pretty good. It's a pretty clean car, man. It's only one issue with the car, and it's the little rust spot over here on the side, right here. It's just this little rust spot. It's pretty bad. I showed it earlier, but I mean, it could be fixed. It just really kind of need to be bondoed right there. I don't know if it'll be worth it. The interior need to be cleaned a little bit. I was gonna clean it out, but I'm not doing all that because I know I'm not gonna get that much for the car. But I mean, the rims came out pretty clean. Car's immaculate. Like, there's no bad paint spots beside that one spot. This car is blinging, and it's for sale for $1,500 or best offer. Silver, 4-door, 2004. All right, man, there you have it, man. I guess that's it for this flip, man. I just gonna show the little process of this flip. It wasn't that much to do. I did minimal. It's a real easy flip, and that's how the way you want to keep it. That's the way I want to keep it. So, man, until next time, man, subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button so you get notified. Hit the bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. Until next time, peace.